Good morning. This is Professor Shaw again signing on. We are entering into the second chapter of unit 2 in the plus one computer science. So now this class will be very fascinating to study about it. Another few minutes we'll join the class. So before going entering the class, I request you please subscribe this channel to your friends. So no fee for it. If anybody has the money, you just inform us. We will take care about it. Okay. So no, we won't ask money. We are doing for actually your well wishes. We are very well personalities for you. So we won't think about money and other things. Okay. So okay, let me start the class. So chapter 7. So you see, chapter 7 has got composition and decomposition. What is actually composition? Before going to that, you should know notations of algorithm. The notations of algorithm. Notation, programming language, pseudocode, flowchart. What is programming language? Writing a program. Pseudo means false code. So what is that false code? Only you can understand, but computer cannot digest it. Flowchart is a pictorial diagram of the program. What are they? Programming language is a language. Pseudocode means false code. A comment line like a flowchart means grammar representation. So what is programming language? Any programming language. You take the example of C or C++ or Python, whatever it may be. These are all called programming languages. So what is the user of it? So user can write easily the program. So the computer will diagnose and digest the program and give the output. Okay, so what is pseudocode? I told you false code. It is a mix of programming language. English type statements will be there. That is called pseudocode. That's called algorithm also. Another. Flowchart means what? Diagrammatic representation of the project. Task. For example, it is how are the notation diagram representation? This is simple statement. S1, S2 flow will be there, no simple statement, the assignment statement, whatever it may be. This is called simple state diagram. Second one. So what is this? This is called diagonal. This one diamond shaped. This is called decision making. If it is true, go there. If it is false, go here. Next, next one, third one. This is flow diagram. Okay, and then this parallelogram is there. No, this is meant for input and output. What are the inputs, sir? Read. Output means write data. What does this stand for? Start and end. So diagrammatic representation, you got simple statement, decision making control statement. I taught you already. Flow diagram. Flow is the flowing, input output, and then start and stop. Any questions? I'll give an example for it. I think easily we can understand the concept. So from that we can understand what is a flow diagram. Suppose I want to compute A divided by B. Draw the flow chart. I told you already there must be a start. The fifth command, fifth picture, start, and there must be a stop. Start. What you are going to A, B are the two variables you are going to divide. So reading A and B input parallelogram. Then compute A comma B. So you do the repetitive subtraction is division. You are computing. Once computation is over, it checks the remainder. B greater than A or subtract. Successive subtraction is the division. Okay. So if it is true, do this. If it is false, then division is over. Again output and then stop. So input is A comma B. When you are dividing A by B, you will get the remainder and quotient. That is called output. Remainder and quotient. This is the decision making. Understood or not? Okay. Next, compositions. Composition is control flow statements. Control flow statements. Sequential, alternative, iterative. These are all called compositions. Easy to study about it. A very fascinating concept. You can study like anything actually. Okay. One, sequential statement. So what is sequential statement? Order one after another. S1, then S2. Once S1 is get executed, you come to S2. See the example. This first line states about input. Let P as the input, Q as the input output relation, and S solve the problem. How it is? Input I told you P, output I told you Q, S is the algorithm. Already I taught you. Now you understood or not? Is it easy to study about it? Very fascinating concept. That's why I'm emphasizing you. Learn algorithm, beyond that we cannot go for it. S1 and S2 is decomposed. How? Your input is P, you are doing S1, you are doing R, output is R. If it is true, if it is false, do this. Output is this. That is, you got a input, you will get the output as a R. No means do the S2 and get the quotient. Now see the example of a goat problem. A goat is there. You are standing in the bank. You are the farmer, goat, grass, wolf. All of them has to travel the cross the river. What to do? But the constraint is goat should not be with grass. Goat should not be with the wolf. It will eat. So how to go for it? First, all of them are left hand side. First, farmer and goat will go to the position, right side. And who will be dropped? Goat will be dropped, right side. Okay, then farmer will come with the goat. Farmer and so goat is dropped. Then for next farmer, goat, grass, wolf is there. No, second one comes is what is called actually I can say left hand side. I can say one more example: farmer and goat. First, the grass will be there. First, goat will be there. Second, grass will come. Third, the goat will come and farmer will come. How the mechanism is? So simple. So simple and so simple. I'll teach you. This is the banker. This is the one. What are they? Farmer, and then I got grass, goat, and then grass, goat, and then one more thing is wolf. First we will take goat over, then I will take wolf, grass, not grass. I will bring first I will take, who is that actually? I can say farmer and grass. So grass I will take. Okay, don't confuse about it. So you refer the notes, you will understand. Okay, I'm not wasting your time. Again, I'll tell you. I'll teach one thing. So first, you have to go through what it is called as a farmer goat. Goat will be traveled. Goat and you. So first goat will come. Second grass will come. Third wool. First goat will come. Second this one wolf will come. Third grass will come. Grass will come and farmer will come. Understood or not? Quite simple. I'll teach you that. Why you are worried that? Farmer, goat, grass, wolf. First wolf will be traveled. Not wolf, goat will be traveled. First is over. Second, goat and wolf. In goat and wolf, who will be traveled? So here we have got goat. So we cannot take wolf. So farmer, and actually I have to take, actually who is that? Here first grass will come. Second wolf will come. Third goat will come. Fourth and so. So little bit is studied, sir. Now you tell me a little bit is studied. Alternate statement. Alternate means what? If condition is allowed, S1, else S2. அதாவது if condition is there, do S1. Sir, goat alternate the goat's problem தமிழில் சொல்கிறீங்களா? அதாவது ஒரு கரையில் வந்து 4 ஆடு இருக்குது. 4 ஆடு 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. இதில்னா உல்ஃபு, ஒரு விவசாயி, அது பிறகு ஆடு, அது பிறகு கிராஸ் 4 இருக்குது. இதை அவுட் சைடு கொண்டு போகணும். 2 பேர் தான் உல்ஃபில் கொண்டு போக முடியும். ஆட்டையும் உல்ஃபையும் சேர்த்து வைக்க முடியாது, சாப்பிட்டு தின்றோம். ஆட்டையும் புல்கட்டையும் வைக்க முடியாது, எதுக்குன்னா அது சாப்பிட்டு தின்றோம். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? கிராஸை கொண்டு போயிடும். கிராஸில் கோட்டை கொண்டு போயிடும். கோட்டை கொண்டு போயாச்சு. 2 கோட் அதாவது ஆடு போயாச்சு. அப்போ மீதி என்ன இருக்குது? உல்ஃபும் இதுவும் கிராஸும் இருக்குது. 2வது வரும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? உல்ஃபை கொண்டு போயிட்டு ஆட்டை கொண்டு வந்துடும். சரியா? அதுக்கு பிறகு அந்த கிராஸ் இருக்குது, அதை கொண்டு போவோம், வருவோம். பிறகு மீதி என்ன இருக்குது? உல்ஃப் மட்டும், கோட் மட்டும் இருக்குது, கோட்டை கொண்டு போயிடும். இவ்வளவுதான் சார் கான்செப்டே. ஸோ சிம்பிள். புரியுதா? ஸோ ஹியர் இஸ் த ஃப்ளோ சார்ட் கண்டிஷன். கண்டிஷன் பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இஃப் இட் இஸ் ட்ரூ டூ திஸ், இஃப் இட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ் டூ திஸ். ஸோ கண்டிஷனல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் வாட்? Conditional statement without else. Okay, if the condition is satisfied, do this, otherwise false. Next question. For example, to find the minimum of among a comma b. How the mechanism is minimum of a comma b. So a being the input, ஏதாவது ஒன்று அவுட்புட். இஃப் ஏ லெஸ் தென் பி, if a less than b, result on the a, else minimum than else b is the great less than. இதுவும் படிச்சாச்சு. So we know that, sir. So we studied about this concept. Okay. Case switch statement. Sir, we studied about if then else. Okay, if condition is satisfied, do this, otherwise don't do this. Okay. Case analysis is what? Multiple case if condition. I will say case. There is switch statement. If it is the switch is C1, case C1 do the statement 1, case C2 do the statement 2, case C3 do the statement 3, else do the statement 4. For example, compare more than 2 conditions. Comparing, that is a less than b put at minus, a equal to b put at 0, a greater than b put value is 1. Understood? That's what I am telling. So what I am telling is, first I am comparing a and b. If a is less than b, result is equal to minus 1. A equal to b, result is equal to 0. Else a greater than b, result is equal to 1. 3 output. That switch will take care. How, sir? So iterative, same repeated executes. Okay. So now you know how the switch does this statement. Switch of case. A less than b, a equal to b, greater. Understood or not? Okay. So now iterative statement. What is iterative statement? Switch of case. One more example I'll teach you. Calculator. That is, I am reading the operator. First I am reading the operator. Switch off operator. If I say switch off operator, if it is switch off operator comes, if it is case plus as comes, do the addition. Case exit, break or exit or break. If case minus come, do the subtraction. Case star has come, do the multiplication. Case slash has come, do the division. Even nothing is there, default unknown operator. That is switches. This is a calculator program. Case switch of the operator. You are reading a comma b. If it is plus, operator is plus, do a plus b. If operator is minus, a minus b. A star, a star b, divide b. Otherwise unknown operator. This is called switch operations. This you must have studied in the C language. So I'm going faster, you understand about it. Iterative statement. What is iterative statement? Same repeatedly execute. That is called iterative. Iterative means same and repeatedly execute. That's what I want to say. So okay, sir, we studied little bit about what is the input, output, algorithm and other things, sir. So still more you can teach. Yes, that's what I came here. So one more point I want to emphasize you actually. For example, decomposition. So what is decomposition meant for? We are not understanding that. That is, you got a task. See the task is the how easily I divide. Suppose you got a task. Decomposition means it will be divided into subtasks. That is modules or functions. A bigger program will be divided into small functions. Every function will be executed by one processor. Parallelly executed output. This is called supercomputer. It will come. For example, Cray XMB or Param of supercomputer. What India do is, that's what its business. You got a big task, divide into small tasks, parallelly execute, get the output. This is called decompositions. Okay. For example, see the fun. For get ready for school. This is the topic. Decomposition is what? Decompose to eat the first you take the breakfast, put on clothes, leave home. Similarly like that. Understood or not? For example, another example, eat breakfast. Eat breakfast means what? Eat idlis, eat eggs, eat bananas. So decomposing a big task to small task. Put on clothes. Put on clothes means dress wearing. What we are doing? Put on blue dress, put on socks and shoe, wear the ID card. This is called action. So I think now you understood what is decomposition. Composition anybody can say. Decomposition also comes under this. So any questions regarding that actually okay. So I'll launch me the question, I'll intercept. Okay. So now you know what the algorithm is, how the design is, and the goat problem. So in Tamil also I told you for your understanding purpose. Then we came towards the iteration, and I told you about all the iterations and what is switch statement, what is if then else apart from that. So from that we are signing off. Actually, stage uh, B of stage 2 of what? Unit 2. So next class we will finish the second unit with chapter 8. That is stage 3 with more informations. Again, I'm requesting you, please subscribe this channel to your friends or somebody else. So no need of paying money or anything else. Be frank and be prudent. Okay. So I think if anybody launches question, you will call to this number. Nothing else. This is Professor Shaw signing off. Thank you.